Well, you may not have noticed it yet, but the days are getting a bit shorter. And it won't be long before we're all talking about autumn leaves and football games and snow. Yeah, you're going to want to make sure your home's windows are keeping that cold out, and you don't want to wait until the first snowflakes to take some action. That's why our next guest is on today to talk about a Michigan-made product built for our weather patterns. Larry Shai, he's the brand ambassador of WeatherGard. He's joining us once more with some info. Good morning, Larry. Great to see you again.
Good morning. Always great to see you. Thank you for having me.
Glad you're here. I want to know, first off, how would someone know who's in their house right now know that the windows that they have aren't cutting it?
You know, look, there's so many different signs. I mean, they could be hard to open, right? They've been closed the whole summer trying to keep the air conditioning in. Maybe the air conditioning is not, being kept in so well.
Right.
Energy bills are high. It's a sign. Glass failure, seal failure within the glass, foggy. And then there's other things like, insulation. This is the time of year before the winter hits. Let WeatherGard come out, give you a free, no pressure inspection, and make sure that you don't have shingles that are curling or missing or stains on the inside of, underneath the roof and from inside the attic. We just want to make sure that everybody's got good energy efficiency, good solid doors and windows, roofing that's solid, the whole thing. Insulation, it's all one package together, and if one is failing and the others are not, you still are losing, energy loss, and you don't want that.
Absolutely. I think you bring up a good point, because a lot of people think of the heat inside their home and the cool inside their home as a feeling of how they're feeling. Well, there's a different feeling when you get the bill, right? You get a different feeling when you get the bill and you're like, what could I have done to lower this bill? Well, you could have kept some of that cold or that heat inside your home. So what makes your windows different? I see you got a couple of examples once more. What makes yours stand apart?
Well, look, when it comes to windows specifically, we're the best in the industry. Our windows are built specifically for Michigan's rugged weather. Wood windows can rot. They require maintenance. They're generally twice as expensive. Fiberglass windows can crack in Michigan's freezing cold weather. And the other thing that's important to note is with a wood frame or a fiberglass frame, they're literally glued and screwed together. You can't fusion weld them like we do with our commercial rated frame. And then you have regular vinyl that everybody else has. They warp, they bend, and they bow. So
this right here is WeatherGard. This is WeatherGard. Look at just the structure on the inside, the stability.
It's a beautiful window. Look at all the honeycombing, which gives it integrity and strength.
That's crap.
Absolutely.
Right,
look how chintzy it is. It's like Lego.
Yeah,
it's terrible.
It is pretty flimsy compared to what you've got on that side.
Lifetime.
So obviously a good, obvious choice, right? Yeah. Now let's talk about those other services, because you did talk about roofing, and you talked about gutters and insulation and things like that. You do offer the complete package, not just the windows.
Correct. People have come to know and trust the WeatherGard name. Almost 40 years in business, family owned and operated. We care about our customers, and we do everything. We're a full-blown construction company with a high level of integrity. Our installers are the absolute best in the business, and they're held to that standard, because you can get the best roof, the best gutters. Well, you can't unless you come to WeatherGard. But the reality is that if you fail on the installation side, then it's all for nothing. So our installers are absolutely vetted, and specifically, they are our teams. They don't share. We don't share them with other companies. And it's time to look at the roof, the gutters, the insulation, the doors, windows. We do it all. We can put windows where you don't have them with our roofing, and specifically, which is really nice. We don't just go out and inspect and sell the roof, but when we're done, we have a whole roofing team at the office that will go back over the entire job to make sure that everything was sold as it should have been. And if something was maybe, hey, we have a suggestion here, like we're cross-checking ourselves just to make sure we're doing the customers right.
Yeah, you really have made it intentional, the installation and the customer service, to make sure that you're following up and not just a one and done. Like once the job's done, you're not out the door. So what should somebody do right now? As I mentioned, the cold weather is coming, and there's still heat out there if we want to keep our homes cool right now.
Right.
But what should be the first step right now if somebody's thinking, hey, I might need some gutters, I might need my roof looked at?
I mean, that was a great time to call WeatherGard, because let's get it done if it needs to be done before the winter hits. And I'll be honest with you, there's times where people call us and say, hey, we think we need a roof, and we go out, they don't need a roof. And we'll be honest with them. We'll tell them, I'll be honest with you, you don't need a roof. And now they might need windows, they might need gutters, and whatever they need, we'll certainly give them a pressure-free, hassle-free, quote that's good for a year, and they can make their decision on their own. There's no pressure.
So you got the quality product there. You've got the integrity of not trying to be upsold for no reason. They'll shoot you straight. And of course, they can do it today. You can give them a call right now, or maybe hop on their website and see if you might need those windows. I got a little fog in between one of mine, so I know one of mine's failing. So you might be in the same boat. WeatherGard WeatherGard.com. Make sure that's Guard, G-A-R-D, WeatherGard.com, or call 1-800-55-WEATHER for more. Larry, always great to see you.
Great to see you. Thank you so much.
We'll be right back.